Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Captain America coming right up. Let's go. Okay, so we have here a big Marvel superhero mashers, and as you can see, it's Captain America. Accelerate your mashup, and because this one has a motorcycle. So before anything else, I want to thank Conrad for this. We were able to trade some Heroclix figures for a bunch of toys, and this is one of them. This will go to my 3-year-old, and he was so excited to open this particular Captain America figure when I showed it to him when I got back home. Okay, Captain America, the Capcycle, okay, is the name. We do have a bunch of superhero mashers already, and you can see in the box the illustration of Captain America. At the back is supposedly the the illustration of him with the Capcycle, but as I said, my son was so excited that he wanted to open it. So forget horsepower, this bike runs on Hulk power. That's pretty fast. Includes missile launcher, and the idea is you collect all of these figures and then you mix and mash them. Okay, so we already have the Hulk, and now the Captain America. Probably time to get hold of these other three if possible. Okay, but before we open this, since this is a Heroclix channel, we have to look at a Captain America figure. Let's go. Okay, so we are looking at a Captain America figure in relation to our Cap motorcycle or Capcycle action figure. Okay, I don't have a lot of Captain America, but I found out I have this one, and the color scheme matches the Captain America Capcycle figure. Okay, so I guess we're gonna look at this one. This is Captain America from the what set? The Captain America set, I guess. And he's also carrying a gun. Okay. All Winner Squad, Avengers, Howling Commandos, Invaders, Pass, and Soldier keywords. The Howling Commandos probably is what gave him the gun. So you can see here the powers. Point value of 89 points with the Avengers team ability. Okay, set number 001, okay, of the namesake set, Captain America. Real name is James Buchanan Bucky Barnes. Oh, so this is Bucky as Captain America. The Winter Soldier as Captain America. No wonder he has a gun. Significant appearance is Captain America number 34, 2008. And as a background, Bucky Barnes was Steve Rogers' Nazi fighting partner during World War II. Long thought killed while disarming a flying bomb sent by Baron Zemo, he had actually been found and brainwashed by the Soviets into becoming their premier assassin, the Winter Soldier. Steve freed Bucky from Soviet control, but was shot shortly thereafter. After Steve Rogers' apparent demise, Tony Stark, director of S.H.I.E.L.D., asked Bucky Barnes to take up his former partner S.H.I.E.L.D. Bucky agreed, wearing a new red, white, and blue costume laced with adamantium. Okay, that's really nice. That's sturdy. And carrying new weapons in addition to Cap's signature shield. Okay, new weapons, specifically a pistol. Okay, Steve's legacy, carrying on the name, bionic arm, adamantium mesh, adamantium shield, not your father's Captain America, memories of the Winter Soldier, and memories of Bucky. So those are the powers of this Captain America. Now back to the main video. Okay, so we're back and we are finally unboxing the figure. Okay, I'll give it immediately to my son after unboxing it. He's excited and I'm also excited because this actually looks really good, especially with the Capcycle. Okay, so that goes out. And it stands. Okay, that's good. Now we have here Captain America. We'll take him out. Okay. Apologies for the old plastic wrap. You know how older toys used to be. It's a pain to take them out. But once you do, you can put them back. Oops. Oops. Oh, see? The arm came flying off. And this is the rocket launcher. We'll probably put this aside because this is not for kids. How do you shoot it? This one. Pshoo. It works. Okay. And we'll assemble Captain America. Okay. And there you go. He's not blue and red, but also with a touch of black, which I don't mind. It's actually really interesting. Okay, and the shield goes here. Okay, and then let's see, the motorcycle. Okay, so that's it. This is Captain America Masher. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And bye bye.